In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom field history tracking in Salesforce. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to track changes to fields over time, providing a clear audit trail of how your data has evolved. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Salesforce organization. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Advanced Setup. This will open up a whole new set of options for configuring various settings within your Salesforce org. Next, we'll need to access the Object Manager. To do this quickly, we'll use the Quick Find search box, which is your go-to tool for locating different options fast. Type Object Manager into the search box, you'll see it pop up as a result, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Object Manager, focus your attention on the list of objects. Here, you'll need to decide which one you want to enable field history tracking for. Common choices include the standard account object, or perhaps a custom object you or your team have created. Select the object that meets your needs. Once inside your chosen object, navigate to the left panel and click on Fields and Relationships. This section houses all the fields related to the selected object, and it's where the magic happens in terms of tracking. In the top right corner, you'll see an option called Set History Tracking. Click on this button to start setting up the tracking for the fields within your object. It's time to enable history tracking for the object. You'll find a checkbox labeled Enable Object Name History. Be sure to mark this checkbox as it activates the tracking feature for the entire object, allowing you to get going with the fields. Now it's important to choose the specific fields you want to track. You have the flexibility to choose multiple fields if necessary. This part lets you customize and specify as you see fit, depending on what's most critical for your reporting or audit needs. After you have selected which fields are of interest, you'll need to pinpoint the custom field for which you want to track history. This is crucial because it determines where changes will be recorded and monitored. Finally, once you are satisfied with your selections and configurations, don't forget to save those changes. Simply click Save, which is usually at the bottom or top of your screen. This step locks in your settings and ensures that the history tracking will function correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully set up custom field history tracking in Salesforce. Remember, this feature is a powerful way to keep tabs on how data changes within your Salesforce environment and can greatly aid in data integrity and reporting efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.